Hello, this is the Sanford torchlight charger. Its rated voltage is 5 volt, but it can supply only 4.44 something. It can't supply 5 volt. So let's see what's inside. Look here, this capacitor looks like bad. Seems to be bad. 400 volt, 4.7 microfarad. I need to change this capacitor. I have similar one. Now I refresh this capacitor. Look, I have fully replaced this capacitor. This is bad one. uh, 4.99 almost 5 volt. Look, this is fully okay. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video.